Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Kia Stonic arrives as a bold statement in the subcompact SUV segment, blending youthful styling with modern tech and efficiency. As the automotive landscape shifts increasingly toward practical, fuel-efficient crossovers, the Stonic carves a unique niche by offering a sporty design, smart features, and value-packed performance that appeals to a wide demographic, from young professionals to small families. Kia has refined the Stonic's appearance for 2025, delivering sharper lines, a revised front grille, and sleek LED lighting that gives it a more aggressive and contemporary look. The signature, tiger nose, grille is slimmer yet more expressive, while the LED daytime running lights now boast a boomerang-shaped motif, enhancing its road presence. Depending on the trim, the Stonic is available in a range of vibrant dual-tone color schemes that further underline its dynamic personality. Alloy wheels up to 17 inches in size and contrasting roof colors add to its trendy appeal, making it one of the most stylish compact crossovers on the road. Step inside, and the 2025 Stonic continues to impress with a cabin that's both ergonomic and tech-savvy. While it remains compact, Kia has optimized interior space to ensure comfort and practicality. The cabin features upgraded materials and soft-touch surfaces, especially on the dashboard and door panels, giving it a more premium feel. A newly designed 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims also include wireless smartphone charging, built-in navigation, and Kia Connect, Kia's proprietary connected services platform that delivers real-time traffic updates, remote access features, and over-the-air software updates. The driver's seat offers a commanding view of the road, with intuitive controls placed within easy reach. The 4.2-inch color digital display nestled between the analog dials in the instrument cluster provides essential driving information, including fuel economy, navigation cues, and safety alerts. For added comfort, the Stonic now offers optional heated front seats and a heated steering wheel in upper trims, features not often seen in vehicles at this price point. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Stonic offers a choice of efficient petrol engines, including a 1.0-liter TGDI turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and a 1.2-liter naturally aspirated engine. The turbocharged variant produces a punchy 100 to 120 horsepower, making it ideal for city commutes and highway driving alike. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or Kia's intelligent 6-speed IMT, intelligent manual transmission, that enhances fuel efficiency without compromising the manual driving experience. For those preferring automatic convenience, a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission (DCT) is available and delivers smooth gear transitions and better fuel economy. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 Stonic delivers excellent results. The turbocharged 1.0-liter engine, paired with the DCT, averages around 5.4 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 43.5 mpg, making it an economical choice for budget-conscious drivers. Kia's mild hybrid technology is also offered in select variants, using a small 48-volt lithium-ion battery to reduce emissions and improve stop-start functionality, especially in urban settings. Safety has always been a strong suit for Kia, and the 2025 Stonic continues this trend with a robust suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard across most trims are Forward Collision Avoidance Assist (FCA), Lane Keeping Assist (LKA), Driver Attention Warning (DA), and High Beam Assist (HBA). Higher trims add features like Blind Spot Collision Warning (BCW), Rear Cross Traffic Alert (RCTA), and Smart Cruise Control (SCC), which enhance long-distance driving comfort and peace of mind. In terms of cargo space, the Stonic offers 352 liters of trunk capacity, expandable to over 1,150 liters with the rear seats folded flat. This flexibility makes it a practical choice for weekend getaways, grocery runs, or transporting sports gear. The 60/40 split folding rear seats and a dual-level boot floor add to its versatility. What truly sets the 2025 Kia Stonic apart is its exceptional value for money. It combines attractive styling, comprehensive features, and reliable performance at a competitive price point. While it doesn't aim to rival luxury SUVs, the Stonic delivers where it matters: daily usability, safety, fuel efficiency, and connectivity. With Kia's 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty, owners also get long-term peace of mind and lower ownership costs. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking for a modern, dependable ride or someone downsizing from a larger SUV, the 2025 Kia Stonic is a well-rounded option. Its sporty attitude, Fuel-saving technologies, and tech-forward interior make it one of the smartest buys in its segment. As subcompact crossovers continue to gain traction globally, the Stonic proves that you don't need to sacrifice style or substance for affordability. It's a confident, charismatic car built for the demands of today's urban lifestyle. Would you like a version of this article adapted for voiceover or YouTube video narration format?